Have you ever asked yourself, truly asked, why am I so tired? Not the casual, end-of-the-day tired, but a deep, persistent exhaustion that has become the background noise of your life. It feels like your energy has been stolen, and what's left is a shadow of the vitality you're supposed to have. Today, we are going to solve this mystery together. Now, this journey requires your full attention because at the end of this thread lies the energy you've been missing. My dear viewer, if this kind of content helps you understand your body and protect your health, I would be grateful if you'd support the channel with a like. It truly helps this video reach more people who need to hear it. Our investigation begins with the most obvious place: the hours you spend in bed. You believe you are resting for 8 hours, but the real question is, are you actually recovering? It's becoming clear that for many of us, our bedrooms have become scenes of junk sleep, a shallow, unrestful state sabotaged by the blue light from our screens, which tricks our brains into thinking it's still daytime. This single act stops the production of melatonin, the master hormone of repair. The logical solution, therefore, is to remove this false daytime signal, allowing your melatonin to rise naturally. You achieve this by creating a non-negotiable, screen-free sanctuary 1 hour before bed. But what if you've already done that? You've perfected your sleep hygiene, and yet you still wake up feeling drained. The investigation must go deeper, to the fuel you put into your body's engine. It's entirely possible to eat a full meal, and yet, on a cellular level, be starving. Your cells cry out for specific micronutrients like iron, and without enough, they are literally suffocating. So, the clear path to more energy is to supply your cells with the micronutrients they are desperate for. You start this process by intentionally adding nutrient-dense foods like dark, leafy greens to your plate. And yet, the mystery can continue. Let's say you're sleeping and eating well, but still sputtering. A good investigator knows that even premium fuel is useless if the fuel lines are clogged. This leads to our next culprit, your hydration level. Your bloodstream is over 90% water. Even slight dehydration turns it into thick sludge, forcing your heart to work dramatically harder and wasting enormous amounts of energy. The problem is thick blood. Therefore, the solution is to improve blood viscosity by restoring your water levels. You do this with the simple act of starting your day with a full glass of water, clearing the lines for the day ahead. My dear viewer, if you've made it this far, you're clearly someone who truly cares about their health. If you're finding this investigation valuable, please don't forget to support the channel. Now, back to our final clues. Now the picture is clearer. But if you don't feel incredible, it forces us to confront a strange paradox. The energy isn't appearing because the engine itself has been turned off. In your body, the power plants, your mitochondria, don't turn on until you place a demand on them. To generate energy, you must first signal that energy is needed. A simple 10-minute walk is the on switch. It's the clear signal that awakens the dormant machinery and results in the production of more power. That feeling of being too tired to move is actually a state created by a lack of movement. You must spend energy to make energy. But there is one final master clue. You're doing it all. And yet, the exhaustion remains. The problem is in the command center, your brain. Through chronic stress, your brain enters a state of high alert, diverting precious energy resources to fight perceived threats. This is a catastrophic energy leak happening at the source. The ultimate solution is to calm this state of high alert and stop the leak. The final question is my mind at war with my body? You can achieve this with techniques like simple, mindful breathing. So you see, the mystery of your fatigue is rarely a single culprit. It's a conspiracy of factors, a chain reaction. Oh, you are the lead detective in your own case. Pick that one link and focus on it this week. And now, a critical warning. This content is never a substitute for a professional medical diagnosis. Please see your doctor. If this journey of discovery has shed new light on your own energy, show you support by hitting that like button. And if you want to continue solving your body's most important mysteries with us, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications.